Well, here's a little update on my shop. This is a load of garbage, and I got a sheet of stainless and a sheet of aluminum back there. I'll be taking to the scrapyard. And oh God, I just put an ad on Craigslist giving these folding chairs away. They appear to be brand new, and I'm giving them to somebody who has a church up in Benton, Louisiana. They're coming to get them now. There's 16 of them. That's going to the scrapyard, and that's going to the scrapyard, and just all kinds of stuff. I think that is a stainless bar there. Here we go. Here's my mess. This just is overwhelming, to be honest. It's just so much work, I don't even know where to begin. And I still have one more load left at the other house. It's really not a big load. It's my solar panel, my ladders, and you know my hardware wall, all them little trays, those. And a trip to the dump from there, because I'm not going to leave them a mess. So this is, I'll tell you what, I had to drain the oil out of that and lay it down and drag it. I couldn't lift it anymore. Just 58 years old, it's just too heavy for me now. I remember when I bought it and moved it, piece of cake. That was 20 years ago. 38 is a whole lot different than 58. Now, yeah, some of this stuff is going to be, you know, yard sale stuff, like this picture and these coolers and fan, and actually all those tools there are going to be sold because I have better stuff here that I'm going to keep. And that chair is getting out of here, and that table that I've got stuff on is leaving. Oh boy. I'm going to show you something that is kind of mind-boggling. This thing is held up by these I-beams. So somebody cut these I-beams. That's a cut right there. Look what's holding them. Very thin bead of weld is holding them back together. I can't believe this thing is standing. Actually, it's leaning. Let me hold your eyes. Don't get dizzy here. I'm going to be moving around a lot. Okay. Can you see that it's crooked? Leaning to the left. So is the other one. No idea why. But, oh yeah, I've just got tons of, this is going to the scrapyard. Lawnmower blades. Norman never threw lawnmower blades away. I just don't get it. And I think I'm going to put my hardware wall right here. I'm probably going to be leaving this bench for a while. Maybe for good. I don't know. I haven't decided. I may just put another, you see where it's got two different levels here? I may peel this up and then just put a nice piece of wood down there. Oh, Lordy. I'll tell you what. This was easily 3 times the amount of work moving the house was. So, the videos will be starting soon for here. I was going to go tomorrow, Thursday, and get the last load of stuff from my old place. But I have a trailer full of garbage, and I need that trailer to put my ladders on. So I went to the dump here today, and they're closed on Wednesday. I didn't know that. Drove all the way up there, drove all the way back. So I need my trailer. I can't carry my ladders home without it. The truck's, you know, the truck bed isn't long enough. Hell, I got a 32-foot ladder that, you know, it's going to require the trailer to lay them across to chain them down and get them home. So, I'm not going to go tomorrow. Maybe Friday or Saturday. And in the morning, I'm going to get up. I have around the outside here, there's windows and a whole bunch of junk laying up against the garage. I'm gonna load all that in the bed of my truck. And they open at 1 tomorrow. 1 to 5 is when the dump is open. So I'll get rid of that tomorrow, and Friday I'll be ready to go for that last load, you know, depending on what the weather's gonna be like, or Saturday. So there's a little update. Have a good one, y'all.